I've been using this Checkme BP2 for a couple weeks now. Actually, not only have I been using it, but Nikki has stolen it and she has been using it. And I really wanted to come back and give you some updated feedback. So first off, speed this up a little bit so I don't take up a ton of time doing this. So when you take your blood pressure, it records it on the app. The app is free, super simple to work, and you can record unlimited recordings on it, which is just amazing. This is so cool and so easy the way it works. So now we've just recorded my blood pressure. You see, I now have a permanent record of it to share with my cardiologist. In my personal situation, I've developed a little bit of AFib. No big deal, but a little bit of AFib. I need to monitor it and share those things with my cardiologist as well. And you can do this with the app as well. To do an ECG, you hit the same start-stop button, except you hit the other option button. It tells you where to hold it. You hold it like this, so it's measuring the electricity going through your heart and your heart rate. As you can see on the app, it is clear as day, super easy to use, so nice that you're able to do this right here with the same device that you're doing your blood pressure. I think that's a big old value add. Thankfully, I'm coming up as clean right now, which is good. Like I said, this AFib that I happen to have is very minor and not a big deal, but I do need to watch it, and I've been using this. So I'm gonna say, after a couple weeks of using this, I can really give this an absolute 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. This works perfectly, works easily, super simple to use. The form and function, look how small it is if you're traveling, and the app is free with that unlimited storage. In any case, a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.